Hi everyone, this is Erin from Sandpaper Road, and I am sharing with you a giveaway. I am so excited. I love all of you. I want you to enjoy this paper as much as I do, and I have an extra set, and I'm going to give it away to one lucky person. One lucky person is going to get all of this stuff, and let me show you what comes in the pack of gifts. So first we're going to start with this is a 12 by 12 paper pack. It's called Felicitea. It is from Craft a Clock. Comes with six 12 by 12 sheets. And this is what comes in the pack. And we'll just show you. Okay. On the back are beautiful postcard type embellishments. You could even use this for paper strips, decorative paper strips if you wanted. Look at this beautiful paper. I am in love with it. They always, it is standard for Craft a Clock. They always put the color palette down there, which is really nice if you have a lot of cardstock, if you're a card maker, or if you are a scrapbooker and you're trying to have, start with a base page. Oh my goodness. Just look at the paper. Now, this is not a new set, but I am giving away a full set, if that makes sense. So, oh my goodness, just look at it. Each page is double-sided. Beautiful details. And the weight of the paper is 250 GSM. Oh, look at the wood. Oh my goodness. It has that new paper smell. Oh, look at the pink bricks. It's actually not a, well, I guess it is a pink. I was going to say it's not really pink, but yes, it kind of is. Oh my gosh. And here are some cut aparts here. So pretty. Oh, so beautiful. Okay, so that is the 12 by 12 paper collection. Also in the giveaway is the 6 by 6 paper collection. And I will show you what is in the paper collection. Okay. Oh my gosh, the doilies. I know. And I've seen this before. It's so funny. I've seen this before. I just get so excited. Just look at it. I'm hoping you can see. Maybe I'll zoom in just a little bit so you can see. Oh my gosh. So beautiful. Oh my goodness. Little tea cakes. This is just absolutely perfect. This is, if you're, well, this is the week before Mother's Day. So perfect for Mother's Day, springtime, birthdays. You know what else I think of? Grandmothers or aunties. Things like, look at the pink bricks again. Did you see the wood? Did you see this? There's a really faint thing of background print of text too, almost like a French type look to it. Do you know what I mean? Like a French bistro type, in the same just mini scale type cut aparts. Look at this one. That's beautiful. So this is, I put the paper back underneath, but as you can see, how many sheets are in the 6 by 6 here? Oh, we've got 18 sheets of double-sided paper that is 6 by 6. Look at that. That's really cute. Look at that, the paisley. Oh, look at the wreaths. Oh, look. If you're a stamper, can you totally see putting stamps in there? Okay. Also in the giveaway, I am, this is all, one person is going to get the whole shebang, okay? So it's just one. A Felicitea set of quotes. So this is 16 double-sided quotes, and they're pre-cut in a little, like a little sack here. Okay, and I'll show you what you get. All right, nice little pink paper on the other side of the quotes set. Now, because this paper is manufactured in Poland, you've got Polish quotes on one side, and then you've got English quotes on the other of the same thing. Okay, so this is what they all are. So nice. This is really good for the new scrapbooker as well. Nice to have just a kind of a full complete set to work with of everything. All right, so there are your quotes. Really good for cards. Look, there's a thanks, a remember, a meeting with friends. Some of these would be a bit of rest. Where's the one that said some me time? Yeah, that. Joy, together. You could use these for cards as well if you wanted. Okay, so the way this giveaway is going to work, and I have one more thing to show you. The way it's going to work is you need to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Okay, and then also follow Sandpaper Road on Facebook, and tell me in the comments under this video what is your go-to paper craft. Are you a card maker? Are you a scrapbooker? Just let me know, what is your go-to paper craft? Do you make mini albums? What is it? Just leave that in the comments. And so again, you follow Sandpaper Road on Facebook. You make sure you're a subscriber to the Sandpaper Road channel. And you leave a comment under this video, what is your go-to paper craft? Now you have until Thursday night, that's May 7th of 2020 at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and this is for the USA. I'm afraid the giveaway is for the USA only, and I'm going to post the winner of the giveaway in a YouTube post, and also on my Facebook page on Friday, May 8th at noon. Okay, so that's how you can see if you won. Also, make sure you tune in, because that's where I'm going to be posting the winner, and you've got to contact me then with your address so I can send you out the goodies. Here is the last thing that you're going to get in the giveaway is the Felicitea Extras. This is a 6x12 pack of extras that coordinate with the paper. What's on the back? Oh, it's just white. Here are flowers, leaves, and extras to cut. Oh my goodness. Now, this is a lot of detail cutting. Now, if you do have a brother scan and cut, one of those things, you could give it a try. I don't have one, so I always fussy cut. I've got some detail scissors that I use, and I actually find it quite relaxing. Of course, you could just use, you know what else I've done too, is made it so it's like just a piece of pattern paper if you wanted. Look at the teacups and the little cakes and the chairs. And these are single-sided on the back because they, they assume you're going to cut them out and use them as accents or embellishments on your pages. And the last one, oh my goodness, I'm in love. Look at the butterflies. Look at the postage stamp type images. Can you just see cutting that out and like inking the edges? Look at that with a circle punch. So you've got some time. And I'm so excited. I can't wait to see what you guys make. Again, this is the extras, the 6x12 set, the full 6x6 set, the full 12x12 set, and the quotes pack, all up for a giveaway. And again, you just make sure to like the Sandpaper Road page on Facebook, and then make sure you're a subscriber to the Sandpaper Road channel. Leave a comment, what's your favorite go-to paper craft. And the results will be posted on YouTube in a post, and on the Sandpaper Road Facebook page in a post at noon on Friday, May 8th, and that's Eastern time in the USA. This is open to all USA residents. So happy, and good luck to everyone, and happy crafting.